Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is May 16th, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, a stock that's on my radar now is a company you probably all know. It's called Nordstrom. This stock has been absolutely annihilated on the charts. If you take a look at a daily chart, just in the month of March, the stock was trading above the $58 level. It is now trading at around $39 a share. So where would we look to buy this stock? That's the big $1,000,000 question. And if you take a look at a weekly chart, what you'll see is that the stock actually in 2015 was trading above $80 a share, and it's been making a series of lower highs, which is very, very, very bearish. Now, when we look at an equity like this, we see a wide range bar right here. That tells us that the market is probably close to putting in a bottom. Notice the volume there. That's what we call an exhaustion type candle. This is stuff that we teach you in the Money Stocks methodology webinar. Now, if you take a look at a monthly chart, what you're going to notice here is that the stock really started to fall from grace around March of 2015. It really plunged, had a little bit of a rebound, and now it's plunging again. But look what it's coming into. It's coming into a 200 monthly moving average, and that is around 35.65. Let's just call it 35.50 level. Now, if we rewind the clock back a little bit, what you're going to notice here is that from this pivot high, which happened in 2007, the stock came down, and then it put in a sideways base here, and that is where it broke down. So there's a lot of energy here. Notice how you got above that level, and then you came back and tested it again, even right here. So that tells me that the equity wants to go back into that zone, which should take us towards that 200-day moving average. So all in all, when I look at a stock like this, I have to look at that 200-day moving average as being a significant level and a spot where I would step up and take a shot on the long side in Nordstrom. So we're going to look at 35.50 area, give or take 50 cents of either side, and that's where I would look to be involved in Nordstrom on the long side, at least for a tradable bounce. Now, where could the tradable bounce take us to? It could take us back up to maybe $40, $42 pretty easily. We wouldn't look for a stock to go back up to new all-time highs, but as a swing trade, that is an area where we would get very, very interested. Just around the $35 area. $35.50 would be my buy entry. So again, that's how you evaluate it. That's how you break a stock down. That's how you find out where the institutions are going to come in and support the equity. Remember, it's the institutional money that moves stocks. It's not the person at home with an E-Trade account. So again, you want to be in when the institutions get in. And if you look at that monthly chart, that tells me that's where they would come in to try to support this name. So again, watch the 35.50 level. That's where I will be a buyer of Nordstrom. All right, if you want to trade this and other equities alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll get all of our nightly chart setups. You'll get all of our content. You'll get our cycle work. You'll also be able to come and attend our No Hype Live broadcasts, which allow members to come in and ask us questions about individual stocks that we're in, stocks you may be looking to get in, anything market related, and we do that twice a week on Sundays and Thursdays. So with that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.